Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Pro is full of advantages, starting with price and lots of sensors, and ending in large AMOLED display and user-friendly interface. But don't get fooled, it's not free of bits and bobs that make it imperfect, to say the least. Let's dive in. First one is the battery life. Advertised 21 days is nowhere near the actual results unless you use it primarily for checking the time. Turning on AOD, workouts, vibrations, notifications, GPS, continuous SpO2 and heart rate measurements, sleep analysis, etc. will lower it to 15 days of normal use or even 8 days of heavy use. It's still great, don't get me wrong, but get ready for taking your charger with you for a longer vacation. If you care about heart rate variability measurement, remember that this one only measures it during sleep. Continuous HRV is not available here, which is a bit of a bummer. Now the watch faces. If you've ever used a Xiaomi Smart Band before, you probably have seen custom watch faces that you can download in form of .bin or .face files and later upload them to your watch with third-party apps like Notify. Unfortunately for now, there are none for this band or any of the previous Pro models. But I can't complain because the selection of watch faces in app is satisfactory but still not exceptional. The other things are deeply connected to Xiaomi's idea of a smart band that hasn't changed at all, or just hasn't changed much since Mi Band 3. First, you can't install apps because the watch holds a proprietary OS, which is limited only to the already pre-installed system apps. Again, can't complain because the selection of pre-installed apps is good enough, even including camera control, calendar, or weather. And you still can't answer or make calls on this watch, due to its lack of microphone and speakers, which would really set it on a higher level. That's another thing that hasn't changed since the first Mi Band ever. And I wish it has. With Bluetooth 5.4, it could really work simultaneously and really elevate your everyday experience. Now, one more thing. I know that title says 5 and it's the 6th now, but it's also not really a con. Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Pro doesn't have buttons, just a touchscreen. You can use it without them, it's fully functional. Even locking the screen for swimming works just fine, but buttons would get useful for ease of navigation, accessibility, powering on the watch, which now you have to do using a charger, or usability during rain. But I'm not counting it as any kind of disadvantage since the watch isn't less usable because of that. Just remember about it before you buy it. And that's it. Feel free to check out my other video, 5 Pros of Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Pro, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, or even share your thoughts in the comments. See you!